Last class do while loop is going. I have given some homework also, I think. Anyone completed that? Anyone completed the homework? No? Very good. Okay. Yes. Good morning. Right. Now watch it, guys. And yesterday I said one thing. We can use any loop for anything or not. There is no rules and regulations. Okay. But finally we have to get the right answer only. Am I right? Now that's why I'm doing one thing, guys. Today I'm going to start directly for loop. First, I want to start with the for loop. Later, we are going to conduct the homeworks also. Okay. And then watch it. How the for loop is working. And actually, for loop also one of the entry control loop. Okay. Everyone remember? For loop also one of the entry controlled loop. And how the for loop is working. And here one important thing everybody have to know. While also entry control. While is entry control. And for also entry control. Then what is the difference? Okay. What is the difference between while and for loop? Actually, the first one is nothing but, okay, while is not working without any condition. In while loop, the condition is compulsory. In while loop, the condition is compulsory. But in for loop, condition is optional. Because of in for loop, the default condition always true. Okay. In a for loop, by default, the condition is always true. That's why automatically your program repeated. Okay. Next, when compared with while loop, for is looking to be smart. That's all. Actually, it is not smart. Looking to be smart. Why? Because means in while loop, we are writing line by line. In for loop, same line. That's why little bit program looking to be reduced. How can you say that? Okay. Just take a look on this, guys. How the for loop is working. I want to explain with a okay picture. Just watch it. Now it is a for loop working style. For first part always initialization. In for loop, the first part is always initialization. Now second part is nothing but, and third part increment or decrement or which is also called update. Okay, like this in every for loop by default three areas are there. Remember, for loop comes with three expressions only. For loop is having three expressions. One is initialization part, second one is condition, and third one increment or decrement or update. And everybody have to remember the most important thing in for loop, at any cost you have to maintain two semicolons. It is the most important rule. In for loop, at any cost you have to maintain two semicolons. Without semicolons, one semicolon, 3, 5 not allowed. You should have to maintain two semicolons. It is the most important rule in for loop. Next, later what is happened? Now the related statements here. Okay, these are the for related statements and bracket close. And now see that, guys, how this for loop working. And now default execution order top to bottom. Here also same top to bottom, and initialization is the first part. Everybody remember, in for loop initialization is the first, means variable initialized with some value. After that it is going to the condition. Now it is the second part. Always condition is the second part. Suppose condition true, it is entering into inside. Now the statements completed. When statements completed, program goes to increment or decrement or update, and it is always third part. Okay. After increment or decrement, again it goes to the condition. Suppose condition again true. Condition again true. It is repeating the statements. Suppose condition false, directly it comes to outside. Now it is the important thing everybody have to remember. Okay. And now everyone, once again, I'm going to explain, say this. Generally C program execution order is what? Top to bottom. Okay. C program execution order, top to bottom. Here also same to same. Your program going from top to bottom. And first of all, okay, top to bottom is traveling. And first part is always initialization. Here the variable is initialized. Later, the given condition true or false, it is checking. It is the second part. When condition true, it is not going to increment, decrement, directly entering into inside. That means, can I say like this? First time, increment, decrement not working. First time, increment, decrement not working. Only initialization and condition is happening. When condition true, directly statements, no increment. When statement completed, then it goes to the increment or decrement or update part. After increment and decrement, again program goes to condition. If condition true, again repeated. Now see that, can I say loop formed or not? Everybody now here, it is called loop or not? That's all. It is repeating and repeating until this condition becomes. When condition is false, then only this program is going to quit. Okay, then your for loop automatically stopped. And now can I say like this? Only first time initialization happen. See that program starting with initialization, later condition, after condition increment or decrement, again condition statements. That means initialization is happening how many number of times? Only one time when the program is entering into for loop. Remember that point. The initialization part is executed only once. Okay, initialization is working only once when the program is entering into the loop. Now at that time, no increment, decrement update. But second time onwards, increment, decrement happen and no initialization. That means first time initialization happen, no increment, decrement. Second time initialization not happen, only increment, decrement. Got it now? It is the difference between, okay, initialization. Next guys, here this condition is there now. Here condition is optional part. If there is no condition also, for loop is working. And I said most important rule is what? In for loop, at any cost you have to maintain 2 semicolon. Without semicolon, your program never going to be executed. Your program never going to be executed. I think very clear now. Right. Next watch it. I am giving one more syntax for this. This time, okay, I'm going to write direct answer. See that? What is that? Here for loop, expression semicolon, expression semicolon, expression. Now see that guys, this one here I'm going to put expressions only. That means we can put any expression in any place. No problem at all. Generally for loop starting point is what? Initialization now. But see that this time I'm going to write like this, a by 2. Actually it is initialization. Generally it is called initialization. Division or not. Later see this, here I am going to put a equal to 2. Can I say now it is initialization? Come on. It is nothing but initialization now. Later a less than or equal to, for example 2. Can I say condition? Can I say condition? Now tell me, actually their places changed. Actually first part is what? Initialization, but we are using division. And second part condition, but we are using initialization. And increment or decrement, but we are using condition. That means there is no rule like that. You can put anything anywhere. But the only one thing everybody have to remember, okay, even though you are using a by 2 in first one, it is considered to be initialization. And how many times it is working? It is the important thing. Whatever the text you are writing in first position, it is going to initialization, and initialization happens only one. And second one it is considered to be condition only, and third one update. Got it? Increment or decrement or update. That means totally for loop required how many expressions? 3. Totally in for loop we have to write three expressions and they should be separated with two semicolons. They should be separated with two semicolons. And next, watch it, guys. Now this time, another important thing. Suppose this time you are having only, okay, one expression. How to write that one? You are having only one. Then it is the procedure. Expression, semicolon, that's all. It is the syntax, guys. How to use single expression. Now see this, still you are having how many semicolon? Now the compiler treats the first part is nothing but initialization. It is conditional part. It is increment or decrement part. Remember that. Okay. In for loop, before the semicolon part is called initialization, and after the semicolon is called condition. After the second semicolon, increment. Now, but still, how many semicolon you have to maintain? It is compulsory. Next, now there is a situation where you have to put 5 expressions. Actually, for loop allows how many? 3 only, no? But there is a situation where you have to use 5. Then how to put 5 expressions in for loop? Okay. And now take a look on this. I'm going to explain about that. It is the procedure for expression, comma, expression, semicolon, expression, comma, expression. That's all. Now see that, guys, still how many semicolons? 2 only, no? Yes, still you are having 2. And how it is considered to be? First 2 semicolons, see this. These first 2 expressions are going to be initialization. Because of their, before the first semicolon, how many number of statements are there? They are going to be initialization. Okay. And next, after the first semicolon, it is nothing but, and here these two will become one pair, increment or decrement part. Okay. That means when more than 3 expressions are there, they should be separated with comma operator. They should be separated with, but still we are having how many semicolons? 2 semicolons only. Got it? And next, now there is no semicolon. See that this time there is no semicolon. For, sorry, there is no expression, semicolon. Now watch it. Yes, it is valid. Because of for is checking only semicolons. Now how many semicolons? That means condition true. Condition, you are following the rules. Because of for required 2 semicolon. Okay. When there is no expression, in for loop, you should have to live with the empty semicolons. You should have to live with the empty semicolon. Got it? Everyone, these are the different type of for loop syntaxes, guys. I think everybody understood now. Everyone, next. Now tell me, guys, in last example, any condition is there? No, but this loop is repeated. Why? Because by default, condition true. In for loop, by default, the condition automatically true. True means under or bahar. Under, that's why it is repeated or not? Yes. Okay. But it is going to give infinite loop. Why? Because there is no condition. No? When there is no condition, it is repeating again and again or not? That's why infinitive loop formed. Got it? It is how the for loop is working. The different type of if syntax, for loop syntaxes. I think very clear, guys. And now see this. In for loop, initialization, condition, increment. In same line or not? In same line now. And that's why it is looking like a smaller one. Okay. 1 minute, everybody see that. Suppose I want to print 1 to 5 numbers. I want to print 1 to 5 numbers. Then generally, while loop is like this. Generally, your while loop, a equal to 1, while a less than or equal to 5, print a. Now a plus plus, bracket close. How many statements are there? Including the brackets. How many? Including the bracket, 6 lines now. 6 lines program. And now same program, see that. For a equal to 1, a less than or equal to 5, a plus plus, print a. Now how many lines? 4 lines only, no? That means little bit program size. Reduced or not? That's why what I am saying is for loop looking to be smart. But it is not smart. Actually, in while loop, side by side is there, line by line is there. But here, that's why looking to be small. Got it now? Everyone? And that's all. Moreover, nothing is there. Okay. It is the for loop working style, guys. Now, first I want to add the notes. Later, we are going to start the programming on this. Okay. Now it is how this for loop working, guys. Now, first I want to give you a small example only. Okay, first example, simple example. Printing 1 to 5 numbers. Using what? Say that, guys. How much easy it is. Okay, I want to print 1 to 5 numbers on the screen by using of a for loop. Okay, guys, now I'm going to start the program. See that. First, here, common header files. Okay, starting I value 1, direct answer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Now printf percentage 4d comma I bracket close, get ch. That's all. Tell me, guys, I value starting 1. Okay, how this example working? Everyone just take a look on this. It is your program, guys. Now how it is working, say that. I value going to be starting 1. Okay, it is initialization. After that, condition 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition true. When condition true, it is entering into inside now. Okay, now it is entering into inside. Now print I value. Print I value means what? 1 completed. Now 1 finished. Later, statement completed now. When statement completed, I plus plus 2. Now condition. Again condition true now. Yes. 2 less than or equal to 5. Come on. Yes, condition true now. When condition true, again it is printed now. Next, I plus plus 3. Next, 4. Finally, 5. Up to 5 condition true now. Now 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition false now. When condition false, it is coming to outside or not? Outside means. Got it now? Everyone, is it clear? Very simple or not? It is how to print 1 to 5 numbers using the for loop. Okay, see that, guys. This one is a program and this one is a output of this program. Okay, guys, next watch it. I'm giving one more simple example. Now the next example is printing given table on the screen. I want to print given table on the screen. Then how to print given table on the screen? Okay, that means what? It is the program. Example. Okay, fourth table I want to print. Then 4 ones are 4. Am I right? 4 twos are 8, like this. Like this up to 10 times. Okay, finally 4 into 10, 40. Okay, that's all, guys. It is a program. I want to print the given table on the screen. Okay, then how to print given table on the screen? Just watch it, guys. Here I'm going to give this. Everyone, first we have to take the table T. Easy to understand, that's why T I'm going to take. And the table number, what it may be, how many multiplications required. Okay, and one more important thing. In previous example, it is a previous example. Everybody watch it. 1 minute, everybody watch it. This program printing how many numbers? 5 numbers or not? Yes, no doubt at all. And tell me inside the bracket, how many statements are there? Only one. And now single statement now. Then there is no need of bracket. You can delete the bracket now. Yes. And when single statement, can you continue within the same line? Yes, no doubt. Now for loop completed within how many lines? Yes, answer, see that. Same answer again. Okay. That means we can finish the total for loop in a single line also or single statement also now. Yes, but answer is same to same. Okay. You are getting the answer same to same. Both are giving same answer, guys. Right. Next, watch it. How to print the given table. For example, which table I want to print? Fourth. And the table number, what it may be, how many times it is multiplied? 10 times. And starting number? That's why, can I start I value with 1? Right. Next, watch it. Program started. Everybody take a look on this. How much easy it is. I equal to 1. I less than or equal to 10. I plus plus. The meaning very clear. This loop repeated how many number of times? 10 times. This loop repeated how many number of times? 10. Now I value 1 up to 10 it is repeated. Now directly you can write like this. Percentage D into percentage D equal to percentage D. T comma I comma T into I. It's over. Now watch it how much easy. First guys, I value is what? 1. 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition true. Then print percentage D. I think percentage D replaced with this one means 4. And into printed as it is now. Next, this percentage D replaced with 1 or not. And equal printed as it is now. Later 4 into 1. Now the total answer printed here or not? Yes or no? Yes. Now the total answer printed here. That is nothing but 4 slash n. Next line. Later I plus plus 2. Now 4 into 2. 8. Next 3. Like that. How many times? Up to 10 times or not? Program finished now? Say yes or no? Everyone understood or not? First percentage D replaced with the table number. And into printed as it is. Second percentage D replaced with I. And I value always going to increment or not? That's say 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 3 like that. How many times like that? 10 times or not? And now T into I. T value starting 4. I value starting 1. 4 ones are 4. Later I plus plus 2. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. Okay. 4 into 10. That's all. See that guys? Your table completed or not? T comma I and printf enter table number. Now scanf percentage D comma T. Now I how many times? Now percentage D into percentage D equal to slash n comma T comma I comma T into fourth table. See that? Same to same output. Fourth table completed. See that? The table completed or not? That's all. It is how to print the table on the screen. And this one is the output of this program, guys. Okay. And now you can print like this. Okay. For example, say this. You can print, suppose 4,000. Actually, you are going to give 4,000 table. Okay. Now there is no problem up to 8 times. But 9 and 10, you are getting garbage value. See that? Why? Because integer capacity exceeded. 4,008 are 32,000. Integer capacity also what? Up to 32,767. Okay. Later 4,009, 36,000 required. But 36,000 is more than integer capacity. That's why we are getting garbage value. Got it now? Now to avoid this problem, you have to go for long integer type. Now see that I am giving long integer. Table number long integer. Long int, but I value is still integer. Why? Because means the table number what it may be 1 to 10 multiplication, no? And 1 to 10 are integer values. No? That's why here value changed LD, here also LD, and here LD, but it is still D because of I integer. No? And now watch it, 4,000 problem solved or not. This time it is giving perfect answer. Like that, up to 10 digit number you can print. Okay. To handle big tables, you have to go like that. Now it is how to print bigger tables. And this one is the working style of this program. I think everyone very clear now. How it is working, understood now? Right. It is a for loop working style. Next, yesterday programs tell me. First one, perfect number. Next, prime number. Later, Fibonacci series, I think. Yes or no? 3 examples, huh? Three. First one, perfect number. Second one, prime number. Third one, Fibonacci series. Then how to make all these examples? Everybody see this. First, finding perfect number. Observe it, guys, carefully. Okay, I want to find out given number, perfect number or not. Okay. Now what is meant by perfect number? For example, guys, 4 is there. Suppose just take the 4. 4% is 1. Answer is 0. And now tell me, guys, when answer 0, can I say it is a factor of that number? That means 4 factor 1. Come on. Later 4% is 2. Again 0. Again 0. Next 4% is 3. 1. That means 3 is not a factor. And 4% is 4. Again 0, no? Okay. Again 0. Now watch it, guys. 4% is 1, 0. 4% is 2, 0. 4% is 3, 1. And 4% is 4 again, 0. But 4 and 4 same number, no? That's why don't consider. Now tell me which are the factors? 1 and very good. And now 1 and 2 are the 4 factors now. That means 1 plus 2. Answer 3. But 3 equal to 4. Not true, no? 3 and 4 equal or not equal? That means 4 is not a perfect number. 4 is not a perfect number. Okay. Now 4 is not a perfect number. Let us see that, guys. Okay. Now this time I have entered 6. 6% is 1. Remainder 0. That means 1 is the factor. 6% is 2. Again 0. That means 2 also factor. Now 6% is 3. 0. That means 3 also factor. Now 6% is 4. 2. Now 4 is not a factor. 6% is 5. 1. Remainder 1. Not 0, no? That's why 5 is not also. 5 also not a factor number. For 6% is 6. That means 6 also factor. But we are having a rule, no? itself not considered. Now tell me what are the factors? Very good. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Answer 6 now. Now 6 equal to 6. Condition true now. That's why 6 is a perfect number. I think meaning very clear now. What is called perfect number? When factors sum given number both are equal. When factors sum given number both are equal, we are calling it is a perfect number. Okay. And now I'm adding the same thing. When factors sum equal to given number, then it is a perfect number. Examples are what? I have given 6 factors sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Okay. Next 28 factors sum is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. Again answer. Got it? Now 6 is perfect number. 28 also. And now it is a programming concept. Okay. Now I'm going to take the same thing. Next implementation part. How to make implementation of this one. Okay. And now watch it, guys. Program. I'm going to take the program for this. Anybody tell me 4 factors are what? 1 to 4 actually. Actual factors. 1 to 4 are not. But we are checking the 4. No. Now tell me the last factor of 4. 2. I think 2 is half of 4. Yes, sir. Tell me the 6 factors, total factors. 1, 2, 3, 6 also actually. Am I right? But we are considering the 6. Means last factor 3. And 3 is half of 6. 3 is half of the. That means we have to repeat this loop n by 2 numbers. Half times, sir. We are not taking n na. We are checking up to half times, you know. That's why one important thing. Watch it, guys. I'm going to start the program. Okay, take the n value 6. Same. For example, n value 6. And I value as usual 1. And it is important. Sum. I'm going to start the. Okay, I'm going to start the sum value with 0. And now program started, guys. For I equal to starting. I less than or equal to n by 2. Point understood now. Why? Because n by 2. Because of we are going for full checking or half checking. Now, small condition. If n percentage I 0, s equal to, and if n and s equal, it is a else not. It's over. Your program finish. Check it out, guys. I value starting is what? Okay. I value starting 1. Right. 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. Okay. Now checking n percentage I. 6% 1. 0. Condition true, no? 0 equal to 0. Yes. Condition true. When condition true, s plus I. Already s value 0. I value 0 plus 1. Later I plus plus. I value. Now 6% 2. Again 0. Condition true. When condition true, s plus I. Already s value 1. Right now I value 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Current answer 3. Next I plus plus 3. Now n value becomes 6% 3 also. 0 na? S plus I. Already s value Now 3 plus 3, 6. And now everyone take a look on this. 2 less than or equal to 3 condition true. 3 less than or equal to 3 also true. And finally 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition false now. When condition false, coming to outside. Okay. When coming to outside, it is checking the condition now. Now n equal to yes. Already n value is what? 6. And some value is what? Both matched or not matched? Matched now. Then 6 is a. Logic clear now? 6 is a perfect number or not? I think very clear. It is how to find out given number is perfect number or not, guys. Check it out. Our program working properly or not. I and n looping variable I common thing. Now some value also required now. Yes, some value starting 0. Enter a number, any number. Okay, enter any number. Percentage d, ampersand n. Okay, now the program started. I less than or equal to n by. Now small condition. If n percentage I 0, then s equal to s plus I. If n and s both are equal, it is a. Else not perfect. See that, guys, enter any number 6. 6 is a perfect number. Next, this time, suppose 28. 28 also perfect number. Okay. Now see this 3 or 4. 4 is not a perfect number. Because of 4 factors, sum equal to 3 only. No? 1 plus 2. Answer 3. That's why. I think very clear. That's all, guys. It is how to find out given number, perfect number or not. Okay. I think very clear. Next. Now we are going for the next example. Finding prime or not or composite. Okay. Now I want to find out given number is prime number or composite number. Okay, guys. Then how to find out given number is prime number or composite number? Okay. How to find out given number prime or composite number? Okay. Take a look on this, guys. How to make prime or composite number? Okay. Logic very simple. Okay. Fresh example. Do one thing. Okay. Now I want to make it simple. Tell me, guys, here what are the 4 factors? What are the 4 factors? 1, 2, including itself also. 1, 2, 4 na? Yes, 4 also factor na? 4% is 4 also. 0 na? That means how many factors are there for 4? Very good. And for 6, 4 factors na? That means now the meaning is, okay. Now the meaning is 4 is not a prime number. 6 is not a. Now watch it carefully. For example, 3. Just everybody take a look on this. Suppose I am going to take 3. 3% is 1. 0 na? That means 1 is the factor. And 3% is 2. 1 na? Means 2 is not the factor. And 3% is 3. 0 na? That means 3 also factor. Now how many factors are there? Then 3 is a prime number. 3 is a. Next watch it. This time 5. 5% is 1. Reminder 0. 5% is 2. 1. 5% is 3. 2. 5% is 4. Reminder 1. And 5% is 5. 0. Now 1 is the factor and 5 also factor. That means how many factors are there? 2 factors only. Then 5 is a prime number. I think very clear now. And based on this, what is going to decide? Factors. How factors count? Actually, when 2 factors are there, it is a prime number. Got it? When 2 factors are there, it is a. Now tell me, 1 factors. 1 having how many factors? Very good. 1% is 1 equal to 0. Na? As per this definition, 1 is not a prime number. As per this definition, because of this definition need how many factors? But 1 is having 1 only now. That's why 1 is not a perfect number. Okay. 1 minute, tell me guys. 4 divisible with 1 and 4 divisible with 4 and 6 divisible with 1, 6 divisible with 6 and 3 divisible with 1, 3 divisible with 3 and 5 divisible with 1 and 5 divisible with 5. That means the number which is divisible with only 1 and itself. Only 1 and itself. But here 4 divisible with 1, no, 4 and 2 also now. And 6 divisible with also 2, 3 now. That's why 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. But 3 divisible with only 1 and 3 now, then prime number. And 5 divisible with only 1 and 5. That's why again it is a. That means as per the second definition, 1 is a prime number. Because of 1 divisible with 1 and 1 divisible with itself also. Itself is nothing but 1. That's why generally we are calling, okay, 1 is prime or neither prime or not composite. Neither prime or not. Okay. As it, the definition clear, very clear. Okay, right. And now tell me guys, previous example, this example, difference is what? Previous example, okay, we are adding the factors. This example, counting the factors. If the count is 2, it is prime number. Otherwise not a prime number. Got it? That's all. It is the logic, guys. The number divisible with 1 and itself, or the number having 2 factors only, is called prime. Okay. And now it is the practical. And now previous same to same example, small change. N value same to same. N value, for example, I'm going to take 3. Okay, N value 3. And I value as usual 1. And count value 0. Here count means how many primes. Okay, how many factors. And now program started, guys. For I equal to starting 1. I less than or equal to 3. I. Now small condition. N% is I 0. If C equal to 2, print prime, else print composite. It's over. Your program finish. Now check it out, guys. Our program completed or not. 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. Now N% is I. 3% is 1. 0. When 0, C++, no? Yes, C value becomes 1. Later I plus plus 2. 3% is 2. Remainder 1. 1 equal to 0. False. That means no count increment. Later I plus plus 3. Now 3% is 3. Again 0, no? When 0 count plus plus, count value becomes now 2. I plus plus finally 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition false, no? When condition false, program automatically stopped or not? And coming to outside. When coming to outside, I'm checking C value. Already C value 2. Now 2 equal to 2. Condition true. Then 3 is A. I think very clear. Everyone, very clear? Okay, right. Now watch it, guys. This time same program, but different example taken. Now n value, for example, 4. And I value, again 1. And count value, 0. 4% is 1. 0, no? Then count value 1 increment. 4% is 2 also. 0, no? Again count value incremented. And 4% is 4 also 0, no? Again count value incremented. Now tell me 3 equal to 2. Condition false, no? When condition false, else that means 4 is A. I think now there is a clear clarity. Everyone, that's all. It is how to find out the given number is prime number or composite number. Okay, and just check it out, guys. In place of yes, I'm taking count. And in place of n by 2, up to n times, no? And not sum, count, no? And if c equal to 2, printf, it is a else composite number. Now watch it. 5 or 3, okay. 3 is a prime number. And next, this time I'm entering 4. Now it is saying. That's all, guys. I think very clear now. Everyone. Okay, nested loop चाहिए. Nested loops use करना पड़ेगा. इसके बाद आएगा. Okay. I think very clear now. That's all. It is how to find out. It is prime number or composite number. Everyone program understood? Right. Right, guys. It is how to find out prime number or composite number. Okay. Next, watch it, guys. I'm going to example finding. Okay. That is Fibonacci. Yeah? Okay. Now printing Fibonacci series. Watch it, guys. How to print the Fibonacci series of given number. Okay. Example 5 Fibonacci equal to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Because of by adding of previous two numbers, we have to get the next number. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1 answer. Next 1 plus 1, 2 answer. 1 plus 2, 5 times completed now. 5 times completed now. It is 5 Fibonacci series. Okay. That means that number of times you have to conduct the loop, guys. Understood, everyone? that number of times we have to conduct the loop. Okay, then how to do this example? Now tell me first thing, every Fibonacci series starting with what? 0 and 1. No? Every Fibonacci series starting with 0 and 1, guys. Okay, next, here also same to same, starting with 0 and 1. Everybody take a look on this. I'm going to explain this. N value, for example, 5. I want to take the 5 Fibonacci series. Okay, and now every Fibonacci series starting with what? That's a print 0 comma 1. Now I'm giving 0 1. Okay, guys, now it is printing 0 1. 0 1 printed means I think 2 times already completed. Okay, at least tell me 5 Fibonacci series meaning. 5 Fibonacci series meaning 5 times required. You have to print the series 5 times. And already how many times completed? 2 times complete. Then how many more left? 3 more only, no? That means, can I start I value with 3? I think meaning very clear. Why I'm going to start I value with 3? Because of 2 times already completed. That's why third time. And next, it is the important thing. F1, Fibonacci series starting number. Second number. Now F3 series means answer. Okay. Now everybody observe it carefully. How this program completed. Take a look on this, guys. For I equal to 3. Why? Because just before I said already 2 times we have completed or not. That's why value starting with I less than or equal to 5 I plus plus. Meaning very clear. I value starting 3, 4, 5. That means how many times? 3, 4, 5. 3 times only, no? Repeated. Next, watch it. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Okay. And now tell me, guys, F3 equal to F1 plus F2. F1 value 0, F2 value, then answer 1, na, guys. Now print F3. Roughly I'm giving. Print F3. That means already on the screen 0 1 printed, no? Already 0 1 printed now. Just assume it is our monitor. Okay, it is our monitor. Okay, and now 0 1 already printed. Now F3. F3 is nothing but means this one 0 plus 1. 1 completed. Okay, guys. Later watch it. Next step. F1 equal to F2 and F2 equal to F3. That's all. Your program finished. Tell me F1 equal to F2 means F2 value is what? 1. That is coming to F1 now. Means F1 becomes. Next F2 equal to F3. Already F3 value also 1. Now both becomes 1 now. Right. Later I plus plus. I value become 4 now. 4 less than or equal to 3. Okay, 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition true now. Then F3 equal to means 1 plus 1. 2 or not. Now F3 printed now. That means 1 plus 1. 2 printed, guys. Come on. Later F1 equal to F2. Already F2 value. Now F1 also. And F2 equal to F3. F3 value 2 no? Next I plus plus. 5 equal to 5. Condition true. Then F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Answer 3 printed now. Come on. And now here we are getting answer. Okay, 1 plus 2 or not. 1 plus 2 answer is 3. Now that means first number is this one, second number this one, third number this one, fourth number this one, fifth number this one. Okay. Finally, I value reached 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now the program coming to outside. Because of condition false now. I think program completed. How many times the numbers printed on the screen? 5 times or not? And 5 Fibonacci series also. 5. Got it? That's it. It is how to print Fibonacci series. I think everyone clear? Now watch it, guys. INTN, I comma, F1 value, F2 value, F3 value. Enter number of times. Means how many times you want to print. Meaning understood? Enter how many number of times you want to print. I equal to 3. Why? Because printf already 0. 1 printed no? Okay. Next I value 3. And here F3 equal to, right? Yes, N. No? Okay. Now F3 equal to F1 plus F2. And now print F3. Percentage 3D. 3D means 3 spaces. F1 equal to F2. F2 equal to. Now program finish. 5 times. Right answer? Okay, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer? Now this time 10 times. See that 10 times printed or not? Yes. Now it is printing 10 times. Now 20 times printed. Okay. But we are giving only 3 spaces now. And number is bada number now. That's why side by side they are not. Okay. Give more spaces, more or nothing. But the problem is this one. User entered 0 times. User entered 0 times. Actually, it is printing 0, 1. But actually 0 time means nothing. Actually 0 time means nothing now. But it is printing 0, 1. And user entered minus 5 times. Again 0, 1. And user want to print only 1 time. Actually only 1 time means 0. But it is printing 0, 1. Why? Because irrespective of condition, we are printing 0, 1 now. That's why for every number 0, 1 printed. For every number, it is going to print 0 and 1. Okay. Right. Now how to avoid this problem? Simple. If n less than or equal to 0, puts off. So it is not possible. Negative number 0 times not possible. Okay, 0 time means nothing. Got it? And negative numbers also not possible. Else if n equal to 1 only, puts 0 only. Else continue this. It's over. Your program completed. Now run this, guys. Minus 5. It is saying. Problem solved or not? Yes. Now it is saying series not possible. Next, watch it, guys. This time I said only 1 time. Right answer, no? 0 only printed. Next, this time I said 2 times. 2 times means 0, 1. Right answer, no? Okay. Next, this time I have entered 5 times. See that right answer? Yes or no? And now here 0 also. Okay. Series not possible. 0 time is nothing, no? And it is the explanation. That's all, guys. It is how to print the Fibonacci series of given number. Everyone clear? Yes. It is how to make the Fibonacci series of given number. Yes, you are having any doubts regarding to this? Everyone understood or not? Everyone? Right. And now watch it, guys. This time I'm going for one more example. Okay, Tanmay Patil, megastar or superstar? You need the star program, na? Superstar program or megastar program? Power star program. I know only power star program. No sir. नेस्टेड लूप होने के बाद स्टार्ट करूंगा, ठीक है? हाँ, तन्मय पाटिल, अंडरस्टूड? When nested loop started, you can. Everybody common ना, वो तो funny है इतना ना. Okay, pattern star pyramids. Okay, right. Okay, right. Now the point is, this time I'm going for one more example. Okay. Now the example is this one, guys. Example, printing. Everybody observe it. In interview, the HR asked, print below series. Print below series. What is that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 9, 4, 5, 6, 18, and 7, 8, 9, 24. Up to n numbers. It is your work, class work, not homework. Right now, you have to print like that. Do it. You have to print the output like this. First 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Immediately 9 printed. 4, 5, 6. 18 printed. 7, 8, 9. 24 printed. Okay. 27. Like that up to n times. Up to n times, guys. You have to print the same series like that up to n times. Suppose n value 100, you have to continue 100 times like this. Okay. Try it. Everyone try this example. Try it, guys. At least no answer. Huh? At least there is no answer reply also. Okay. Right. Very good. Try it. Okay. Yes. Pawan Salve. वो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Right. Okay. When a program is given, everybody going to start it very faster. Okay. Yes. What they are going to do means hash include stdh, hash include connoted edge, void main, bracket open. वहां तक हो सुपर फास्ट. ब्रैकेट ओपन करने के बाद उधर देखता. बिकॉज ऑफ फॉर एवरी प्रोग्राम वो तो कॉमन है ना. दैट्स व्हाई. Actually, it is a silly example. Actually, it is a silly one. Not a risky one also. Silly example. That's why I'm going to give the logic. Huh? Funny logic. I said now, it is a funny logic. How much funny logic? See that. Okay, everybody observe it, guys. How much funny logic it is. Okay. Yes. Now watch it, guys. Very good. Very good, Pawan Salve. Right. Enter n value. First read the n value, guys. Percentage ampersand n. Okay. Later, it is the program for I value equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Print a percentage 4D or 3D comma I. Next, 1 minute, tell me, guys, I value is what? 1 printed. Next, 2 printed. Next, 3 printed now. But after 3, we need the 9 now. Then printf percentage 3D comma I into 3. That's all. But for every number it is printing. That's why small condition. If I percentage 3 0, then only print I into 3. Tell me, guys, I value starting 1. Very good. 1 percentage 3 1. Condition false. Means second printf not working. 2 percentage 3 2. Then second one not working. Now 3 percentage 3 0. 3 percentage 3 0. Condition true. Now print 3 into 3. 9. Later 4 printed. 5 printed. 6. Watch it. 6 printed. 6 percentage 3 0 again. Now 6 into 3. 18. Next 9. 9 into 3. 27. That's all. Watch it, guys. 10 times. Same answer. 1, 2, 3, 9. 4, 5, 6, 18. 7, 8, 9. That's all. It is the logic behind this program. At least understood or not logic? Everyone, logic understood? Okay. Otherwise, here see that. I value starting is what? 1. Now 1 percentage 3. 1. 1 percentage 2. 2 percentage 3. 2. And 3 percentage 3. Now 0, no? When 0, now print 3 into I. Means 3 into 3. 9, no? Means already which one is printed? 1, 2, 3 printed, no? Later which one also printed? Means after 1, 2, 3, 9. Later watch it. 4 percentage 3. Again 1, no? And 5 percentage 3. 2, no? And now last one, 6 percentage 6. Means 3. 0, no? When 0, 6 into 3. 18 printed or not? That means 4, 5, 6 printed. And now after 6, 18 also printed. No? That's all. It is the logic working behind this program. For if. Okay, for is different, if is different. Within for loop, we can use any number of if conditions like that. Okay. Okay, I think everybody clear? Like this program is giving 1 to n numbers on the screen. Okay. And now, guys, okay, no problem. Now I'm giving one small thing. It is your program. Everybody observe it. It is your program. This time you have to print the output like this. For example, n value 2, n value 5. Suppose n value 5, just assume n value 5. Now you have to print the output like this. That is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay. Do one thing first. It is your program. N value 5. You have to output. Required output is this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Answer 15. Same to same output you have to print. Including this one also. Okay. 15 कैसे आ रहा है? Plus करने से ना वो भी print करना है. Okay. You have to print the series as it is. You have to print the series as it is on the screen. It is the first example. Okay, nothing but homework. Nothing but homework, guys. Okay, and now it is the first homework. 1 n value 5. Second example is this. Suppose n value, everybody observe it. N value this time 5 same again. Now this time you have to print output like this. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. That is 55. That's all. It is the same output you have to print on the screen. Okay. It is second example. Suppose if n value 5, first print the output like this. When n value 5, print the output like this, which is called square sum. What it is called? Square sum. It is called square. See that? Square, square, square sum now. Okay. And now you have to find out square sum, including the square symbol. It is the condition. Including the square symbol also. 1 square you have to print on the output. In output, you have to get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. That is 55. I think very clear. It is your second homework. Okay, now guys. Everyone. Okay. And last homework. N value equal to 5. It is your third homework. Okay. Now n value 5. Now you have to print the output like this. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. Answer equal to 3. Same to same output you have to print. That's all. It is the required output. Same to same you have to print on the screen. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 equal to 3. How the answer is 3? See that 1 positive number, 3 positive number, 5 positive number. 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. Okay. Later, minus 2 plus minus 4, minus 6. Minus 2 plus minus 4, minus 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Answer 3 now. That's all. It is your third. You have to print the same series, including the series. Understood? Everybody, including the series, you have to print the output. Okay? These are the homeworks. Okay, Pavan Salve. It is you have to find out, man. To print the power value, what you have to use, you have to find out. Okay, try it. Otherwise, my hona. Is it clear, guys? Okay, then tomorrow we are going for the remaining examples. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to start nested loops, patterns. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to start patterns. Okay. Okay, I said now Mahesh Chaudhary. Okay, it is of your wish. Okay, actually you have to take the permission from the management. That's all. For there is no problem to me. Is it clear, Mr. Mahesh Chaudhary? Right, guys? Tomorrow we are going for the remaining. Okay? Yes, you are having any doubts? Everyone clear? Then see you on tomorrow. Try this homework. Okay? Right, thank you all.